And yes, if you thought that Microsoft layoffs, they were an isolated case, think again. Across the United States, companies are becoming more and more cautious. Well, they are slowing down the hiring, reviewing the budgets, cutting costs, and preparing for another round of workforce reduction here. Every week, new layoff announcements, well, they are making headlines, leaving thousands of professionals wondering whether their jobs will survive the next reconstructing or not. In fact, we get the comments that there's the same story again and again, layoffs story. Recent reports show that while job cuts in the United States fell sharply in June as compared to May, thousands of employees still lost their jobs. At the very same time, more American companies have already filed notices for the fresh layoffs in July. Experts here say that this reflects a labor market that is becoming more cautious rather than collapsing. Businesses are still profitable though, but many are preparing for economic uncertainty by reducing cost before problems become bigger here. And this creates a very different kind of fear. People are not only worried about finding a job here, they are worried about keeping the one that they already have. Well, for Indian professionals working in the US, the pressure is even greater because most H-1B visa holders cannot remain unemployed for very long. Losing a job is no longer just a financial challenge to them. It also becomes an immigration challenge. Many employees now, they say that they constantly upgrade their resumes, improve their skills, and they prepare for interviews even while working full-time because nobody knows which company may announce layoffs next. Well, the technology sector that once promised stability, it now demands constant adaptation. Here, experts believe that companies are entering a completely new phase where efficiency matters more than expansion. Businesses are becoming smaller, leaner, and increasingly dependent on automation. But yes, while artificial intelligence is replacing some jobs here, a surprising new trend is now emerging. Because many companies are quietly discovering that AI cannot do everything. Well, for months, companies believed that artificial intelligence could replace people. And now many are beginning to realize that they may have to move too fast. After all, AI is not perfect here. Over the last 2 years, artificial intelligence has become the biggest buzzword in the corporate world. Every company wanted more and more AI. In fact, every CEO wanted automation, every media house wanted an AI anchor, every investor wanted higher productivity. Many businesses believed that AI would reduce costs and replace thousands of workers. But let's be honest here, reality has turned out to be far more complicated. Ladies and gentlemen, according to new reports, several companies that aggressively reduced staff after introducing AI, they are now hiring people back. They kind of discovered that while AI performs repetitive tasks very well, it still struggles with complex decision making. In fact, consumer relationship, ethical judgment, and many real-world situations that require human understanding. Companies in tech, banking, manufacturing, they all have reported situations where automated systems fail to deliver the expected results, forcing them to rebuild human team. Wait, can you think about this moment for a minute? AI can answer questions, generate reports, write computer codes, analyze large amount of data. But the question is, can it understand human emotions? Can it negotiate with a difficult client, or can it solve a crisis that nobody predicted? Well, that is where humans, they are still having an advantage here. Experts now believe that the future will not be about AI replacing humans. Instead, it will be about humans learning to work alongside AI. Professionals who do understand both tech and human decision making, they are expected to become the most valuable employees in the years ahead here. And that's a good news. Many companies now do admit that they underestimated how much experience, creativity, and judgment people bring to the workplace here. And that's why hiring the people back has restarted in several industries. The lesson that's becoming clearer. AI is changing work, but it is not eliminating the need for skilled professionals here. And that message is specifically important for Indian engineers because India remains one of the largest suppliers of highly skilled technology talent here. But even with these positive signs, many experienced Indian professionals, they are beginning to ask themselves just one difficult question here. Is it still worth staying in America or not? Because sometimes the biggest career decision, it is not finding a new job. It is deciding whether to stay or whether to return home.